mountains for sure.
Why?
Because I enjoy hiking and I enjoy the wilderness. I also like getting out and fishing and camping. So, and in fact, I live in the mountains today is where my home is. So I very much would choose holiday in the mountains. I would have to say, and this will be very un-American for most, that I would go with soccer actually. And that's primarily because I grew up playing soccer as a child and played soccer for probably 10 or 12 years actually as I was growing up. And I'm getting up there in age, and so when I was playing soccer was very unpopular in the United States at the time, and everybody thought I was crazy because I was playing soccer and everybody else wanted to play football. So. Movie. I'm a big movie fan, so I enjoy watching all kinds of movies. Mostly thriller movies, action movies, even a few drama movies. I have a large screen at home with a very nice audio system that goes with it that I enjoy, so I like quiet times with my wife watching movies. Yeah. I would have to go Queen, I guess. I thought Freddie Mercury was amazing, even though that particular genre of music is not really my type of music, but I just thought he was an amazing artist for the time that he was here and with us, and the band did some amazing things with some of their songs, and you look at how long they've continued to progress now, even after he's been gone, right? So yeah, I'd have to go with Queen. Well, as you can tell, I'm a little bit more overdressed than most people here. I actually I tend to be a little bit more formal dressed person when the occasion requires, and so I actually like getting dressed up. And to me, it's important to represent the part and convey a good image and whatnot. So formal would be more my preference. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.